Day 3 after the ice pack, which was on about 6:15 this morning, 6:15 a.m. So that coincided with taking strong pain relief. So yeah, the leg feels nice and cool and okay. And I know it's my imagination, but it does feel like it's going. I feel better today than I did 24 hours ago. Yesterday was a very bad day. It brought me down a bit, and I just had a couple of moments. But today I'm hopeful. We've got pain relief under control. They're going to be putting me on tramadol before the next physio. So I'll let you know how that goes. And I'll probably come back with the leg bigger than I went down in it. But that's how it is, ups and downs. So thanks for watching again.